Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Google form. So let's get right into it. First up, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. Once you are on the home page, click on Go to Forms. If you are not already signed into your Google account, you will need to do that now. Once you are in, you will see a blank form and a range of templates to choose from. But for purpose of this tutorial, let's start fresh and click on the blank form. At the top here, you will find the Untitled Form field. This is where you give your form a name. Let's call ours Product Feedback Form. Directly below that, add a description to let people know what this form is about. Let's put here, we value your input. Please take a moment to share your thoughts. Now it's time to build our survey by adding questions. Google Forms automatically gives you the first question. I will click on the question to edit it and type, which product are you providing feedback for? Right next to our question, there's a drop-down menu for choosing the response type. We can see several options, including short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and others. For this question, I will select short answer because we are asking for specific product name. Down here, there's an option to toggle the feature required on and off. If we toggle this feature on, answering the question becomes mandatory for the respondent before they can move on to the next question. As this is our initial question, let's toggle it on. To add next question, click on the plus icon on the right. We want to understand the user's experience at a glance. So let's type in how satisfied were you with the product. And for the response type, as you can see, Google Form has automatically populated a response type based on the question. It has selected linear scale, but I do not want to go with linear scale response type and would rather go with multiple choice. Choosing multiple choice opens up a space to enter our options. So let me quickly add few options. In the third and last question, we seek constructive feedback. Let's ask, what improvements would you suggest for the product? For the response type, as you can see, Google Form has automatically populated paragraph. I am happy with the paragraph response type for this question. Moving on, if you wish to delete any of the questions, you can simply click on the trash icon at the bottom of the question box. Then we also have standard editing options that you can use if you like. And if you are looking to rearrange the order of the questions, simply hover over your mouse cursor over the 6 dots located at the top center of the question box. Once the cursor changes to the 4-arrowed crosshair, move and drag it to your preferred location within the form. To get a clear view of how this form will appear to respondents, we can use the preview feature. Simply click on the eye icon on the top right corner. So this is the preview of our form exactly as it will appear to respondents. Next, if you wish to customize the form's appearance, it is quite straightforward. Select the color palette icon located next to the preview icon on the top right corner. Here, you can change the font style for headers, questions, and text, and also adjust the font size for header, question, and text. It also allows us to even add an image to our header for a more customized look. By clicking on Choose an Image, you are presented with the option to either select from a variety of stock photos or upload a personal image from your computer. I will go ahead and select an image from the stock options and click Insert. Down below, under Color, we can choose a theme color and background color for our form. Once we are ready to send out our form, we can hit the send button at the top right corner. This brings up send form options. Up here at the top, there's an option collect email addresses, which is set to do not collect by default. When we click on the drop down, there are two more options. Selecting either of these will give us access to the email addresses of the users who fill out the form. If we choose verified, this option requires that all responses come from users who are signed into a verified Gmail account. It's a way to ensure that you are getting responses from genuine accounts. And then there is a responder input. Choosing this option allows anyone to enter their email address when they fill out your form, regardless of whether they are logged into a Gmail account or not. Below that, there are several ways to send your form. You can send it by email or share a link. You can shorten the link by ticking the checkbox here. This option comes in really handy when you want to share it on social media platforms. And then you have the code to embed it to your website. Pick the method that works best for you. After the form is sent out and starts collecting responses, you can find and review all the feedback under the Responses tab. And that's how we create a Google form. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.